Good morning, Sister Carolina, Teacher Sabrina, and friend. Now I will present my projects. My name is Kenzie. About family favorite food. My father likes mango. Fish. Cock. Fish. My brother likes fish. I like apples. Thank you for your Carolina.